Welcome to DMP Training Center. I'm Adam Barton, Corporate Trainer, and we're here today to talk about the 1301M Enrollment Reader. The 1301M is an admin reader that allows you to easily enroll any MyFair DesFire credentials that you've purchased from DMP. So any encrypted credential that you have that's compatible with our Delta series readers will work with the 1301M. Now, this is not compatible with any of the more standard 125 kilohertz prox cards from HID or Farpoint, but it will work with any of those 13.56 megahertz MyFair DesFire credentials that we offer. As far as the setup and use of the 1301M, it's a very straightforward process. The 1301M has a USB connection on the end of the cord, and that plugs into your computer. Once it's been plugged in, it automatically installs any drivers or anything that you might need for the operation of the 1301M. Once it's all been set up, you just place your cursor in any field where you need to enter a user code, present the credential to the reader, and the code will be entered wherever you happen to have the cursor. And because of this functionality, where it's really just putting a code into where the cursor is, it's really compatible with any products that you're already familiar with from DMP. That could be Dealer Admin, that could be SystemLink, Remote Link, it could be Entrée, and this could even be a use for your end users if they're using Virtual Keypad and especially managing access control through Virtual Keypad Access. The ability to very quickly and easily manage codes by scanning them directly into Virtual Keypad Access is just going to make things that much easier for your customers. Now that we've talked about a little bit about how the 1301M works, let's do a quick demonstration of how to use the 1301M using Virtual Keypad Access. Alright, so we're logged into a system here on Virtual Keypad Access, and I've already gone to the user code section, and I've begun setting up a new user and their credential for access control on this particular panel. We've already given them a name, and what I need to do at this point is make sure that I select the internal number field. So I'm gonna just put my mouse there and select that. Now that that's highlighted, I'm ready to swipe my credential at the reader to get the card read in to Virtual Keypad Access. Now that I've done that, all I need to do is select a profile for the user, and I can save that to the panel. So as you can see, the 1301M is a very easy device to work with. It's really just plug and play. You connect it into your computer via USB, put your cursor wherever you need to fill in that internal code from your credential, scan the card, and you're ready to go. Now that we've covered some of the technical aspects of the 1301M, let's spend a few minutes to talk about what this means for you and your business.
I am John Adams, the Executive Director of Business Development for DMP, and we wanted to thank you for spending some time with us today as we've had Adam Barton go over the 1301M DMP MyFair DesFire Admin Reader. As you saw in his demonstrations, there are a lot of benefits to this. So for your customers that are wanting a higher level of security from their access control credentials, we provide this product in a way that allows you to not only easily scan the cards to learn them into the system, but it's across all of our different platforms. So whether you're using the reader on Entrée or Remote Link, or you're going to be doing it through Virtual Keypad, it's going to provide them that level of security that they're after, but in a very easy way to manage the system and enroll new credentials. So now your customers have the ability to take advantage of the DMP MyFair DesFire technology and the higher level of security that comes with that, but still in an easy way to manage and enroll credentials. And again, it's compatible across all of our different software and web platforms. Thank you for spending some time with us today. Have a great day, and thank you for your business.